Hi everyone. Today we're going to be doing a different type of question, and this question also includes exponents, except it's a multiple choice question. So over here we've been told to find which of these numbers has the smallest value. So we've been given 4 different numbers raised to different powers, and you can see that they are 18 to the power of 144, 15 to the power of 96, 162 to the power of 72, and lastly 6 to the power of 288. So which one of these is the smallest? If you like, you can go ahead and try solving this question on your own before we discuss the answer. So let's go ahead and get started. First, let's lay out our numbers, which are over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to write out the numbers, except we're going to expand the numbers. So 18 to the power of 144, we can also write 18 as 9 times 2. So 9 times 2 raised to the power of 144. 54 can also be written as 27 times 2 raised to the power of 96. 162 can also be written as 81 times 2 raised to the power of 72. And lastly, 6 can be written as 3 times 2 raised to the power of 288. So if you look closely, all of our numbers, which we have 9, 27, 81, and 3, they're all multiples of x. In fact, they're all numbers which you can get when you raise a 3 to a certain power. So what does that mean? I'll show you. 9 can also be written as 3 squared. 3 squared times 2 raised to the power of 144. Then again, 27 can be written as 3 cubed times 2 raised to the power of 96. Now 81 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 4 times 2 raised to the power of 72. And lastly, 3 can simply be written as 3 to the power of 1, 3, they're the same thing. So 3 times 2 raised to the power of 288. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at a couple rules of exponents. So one rule is that am raised to the power n is the same thing as a raised to the power n and m raised to the power n. So we're going to be using this rule on most of these products which we have here. So we're going to do the first one, which is 3 squared raised to the power of 144 times 2 raised to the power of 144. Then over here, 3 cubed raised to the power of 96 times 2. Over here, we have 3 raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of 72 times 2 raised to the power of 72. And lastly, we have 3 raised to the power of 288 times 2 raised to the power of 288. So from now, we're going to use a different rule. So this rule states that a raised to the power n raised to the power n is the same thing as a raised to the power n times n. And in my previous videos, we also added that this is the same thing as a raised to the power n raised to the power m. But we're only going to be using this part of the rule over here. And we're going to use it on, most of these products over here. So 2 times 144, 3 raised to the power of 2 times 144. If you can try doing that on a calculator or maybe in your head, but that would give you 288 times 2 raised to the power of 144. Now over here, 96 times 3. Again, this gives you 288 times 2 raised to the power 96. Over here, we have 3 raised to the power 4 times 72, which is, again, 288 times 2 raised to the power 72. And lastly, we don't really need to expand this over here because this has already been given 3 raised to the power 288. So now we're going to look closely at these. So if you notice, the first term of all of these are the same. 3 raised to the power 288 is in all of these. So I'm just going to quickly write down what each of these is equals to. Okay, and again, if you notice, the first number is the same in all of these. And the second number, the second term, is 2, which is also the same in all of these. Now, the only thing that's different in all of these is the, top number, which in the first one is 144, and then 96, and 72, and lastly, 288. So comparing these, technically, all of these are the same number, except they're multiplied by 2 raised to the power to different powers. So the number multiplied by 2 to the largest power would be the largest number. So over here, that would be 3 times 288 times 2 raised to the power 288. Oh, my bad. 3 raised to the power 288 times 2 raised to the power 288. So this is the largest term over here, the largest number. But we've been given to find what the smallest term is. So we can cross out D over here. D is not the answer. Then we have 144, 2 raised to the power 144. So this is not the answer either. Then we have 96. This is not the answer either. So this must be the answer. So the answer is C, 162 raised to the power 72. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you are walking away with a little bit more knowledge on exponents and, how to solve this problem. So thanks for watching, and be sure to watch our other videos. We have many videos on problems like this, so if you like this one, be sure to check out our channel. And make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.